Very much. This Saturday, University Hospitals will hold the first of its kind Men's Wellness Summit at the Cleveland Convention Center. To learn more about it and what it will offer, senior health correspondent Monica Robbins is in Studio B with more. Monica, I've been waiting all morning for this.
I bet you have, Dave. Yeah, University Hospitals Cutler Center for Men is hosting its inaugural Men's Full Life Fitness Summit on Saturday at the Huntington Convention Center. And joining me now is Dr. Randy Vince, the Director of Minority Men's Health at the Cutler Center for Men at Ahuja Medical Center. We talked about this 3 years ago.
Yes.
When you finally arrived. This was #1 on your priority list. How excited are you that it's finally come to fruition?
Oh, I'm extremely excited, because I think it can be an empowering event for men and women, both in our community. So it's just so good to see this come to fruition.
So that I love the fact that you brought women into that sentence because it's important to know that women are invited to this.
Absolutely, because what we know is that women actually make most of the healthcare decisions for families. And so if they can get any piece of knowledge or information from this summit, we want them to do that because we know that will empower the men that they love in their lives.
So what is this summit going to offer? Because it's not just healthcare, right?
No. So we know that, what impacts someone's overall health goes so far beyond do you go to the doctors, right? So we're talking about things like poverty, food insecurity. So in addition to health screenings, we're going to have talks around financial literacy. We're going to have healthy cooking demonstrations. If you have a misdemeanor that's impacting your ability to get a job, we'll have an expungement clinic. So we really want to touch on all of those areas that impacts a man's overall wellness.
Is there anything people should bring with them to this summit that might help them?
Just an open mind. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Because we want men and women to leave empowered. So all of these things, these resources are completely free, so you don't have to bring anything. We'll provide everything for you.
What about registration? Does anybody need to register for this?
So we are asking people to register, but it's not required. That's simply so, it helps us when determining health screenings, how many supplies to bring, things like that.
I put a QR code on the screen that people can scan. It'll go to a story I put together so people can get more information, but kind of go over when is this summit, what's the time of the summit, what do people need to know? Yeah,
so the summit is this Saturday, which is September 27th. We're doing registration on site for those who don't register before from 7 to 8, and then from 8 to 4:30, we'll have a number of talks as well as these breakout sessions and workshops, and we have over 70 vendors that'll be providing resources to the community. So yeah, we're just looking forward to having a great time. We'll have some entertainment stuff too, so yeah, we're looking forward to it.
Who are some of the speakers that people might want to really come check out?
Yeah, so actually we have several panels as well as some individual speakers. So we have local business leaders, some people that come to mind, Kevin Johnson, Sakura Davis or Shaq Davis from Next Gen Construction. We have Blaine Griffin, our city council president, that's going to be there. So we have a number of people who are doing work in the community, and we're looking forward to it.
When you talk health screenings, what do people need to know about those?
Yeah, so what we'll do is we'll have health screenings, plus we'll have people there on site to interpret the numbers for people. And then if you need to have a connection to a doctor, we have those resources available to you as well.
It's Prostate Cancer Awareness Month too.
Yeah.
And a lot of people are afraid, I don't want to go there, but tell them about what the test is.
Yeah. So it's a simple PSA test, which stands for prostate specific antigen, and it's a blood test. So that's it. Just like you go get a blood draw any other time, it's a simple blood draw, and we'll have that on site as well for free.
What do you think is the most important test men should be prepared to do that I wish you could shake them and say, please do this? Yeah,
it's funny you say that because I think part of it depends on the age of the man, but the simple preventative measures like getting your blood pressure checked, checking for diabetes, those types of things, because if we can intervene on that early on, that can, save somebody from going into kidney failure or having heart disease and things like that. So, but especially for our older gentlemen, the PSA is very, very important.
So this is something too that they're going to be walking in with an open mind, but probably walking out with a lot of not only information, but stuff, swag.
Yeah, that's right, that's right. So again, all of these resources are free, and we just want to do this as a service to our community. So hopefully in years to come, we'll be able to grow this even bigger, and other healthcare organizations will come on and collaborate with us. But we're looking forward to just empowering our community and allowing people to live the strongest, healthiest, longest lives possible.
This is your first try. I have a feeling it's going to be bigger and better next time. All right.
Thank you.
Dr. Vince, thank you so much. All right, Dave, back to you.
Yeah, another home run interview, Monica. So important. What a great event this weekend. And we're going to be talking more about this exact type of thing next Monday and Tuesday here on the stream. So
You got it.
Thank you very much.
Sure.
All right.